how to resize photos for Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to properly resize and format your photos to fit Instagram's dimensions perfectly. First, open the Google Photos application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to your photo library where you can view all your images. Following that, tap on the photo you want to resize for Instagram. Now, tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen to access the editing tools. Moving forward, tap on Crop to adjust the size and aspect ratio of your photo. Afterwards, tap on the aspect ratio icon at the bottom to see different size options. In addition to that, select the 1:1 square format for Instagram feed posts or 4:5 for portrait posts. Once you've selected your preferred ratio, adjust the photo by pinching or dragging to fit properly. Subsequently, tap on Done at the bottom right corner to save your changes. Moreover, tap on Save Copy to keep both the original and resized version. Afterwards, open the Instagram application on your device. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new post. Within this section, tap on the resized photo from your gallery to select it. Alternatively, you can use Instagram's built-in editing tools to make final adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how your photo looks, tap on Next to proceed. Then, add your caption, tags, and location before sharing your perfectly sized photo. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you resize photos for Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.